Hi everybody, this is just a quick reminder of how to post to MyConnect so you get the Turnitin check. So you want to start at our course, so look for High School English 4. You should be able to go to Courses and then see our course here. If you don't see our course, High School English 4, go to All Courses and then you should be able to select it from a list. Once you're at our course, you're going to want to click on the calendar, and the assignment is posted on the calendar. So Thursday, March 21st, click on the assignment and then click on Lit Analysis, the title, and that will take you here. From here, you can click Submit Assignment. There we go. And then from Submit Assignment, you'll want to go to File Upload. So here's where you have some options. You can choose to upload the file, maybe if you chose to do it as a Word document, and that's this tab. Or you can choose to go to Google Drive and upload it straight from Google Drive. If you choose to go to Google Drive, there's two different ways you can do it. I'm signed in as a fake student. But if your Poway Gmail or the Gmail that you chose to write your lit analysis on is linked to MyConnect, you can upload it from Google Drive directly. If that's troublesome for you, you're going to want to do a file upload, which means you'll go to Google Drive, open your document, download your document as a Word document, and then upload the Word document here. Be sure you click I agree and then Submit Assignment. After that, it's all turned in and you're good to go. Please feel free to check with me when you come to class tomorrow morning just to make sure I got it, because if I don't have it, it's a 0. Thanks for watching.